Hey food lovers, welcome to Bisteg's TV Food. Really glad to have you here with us today. Have you ever wondered what makes the perfect fried chicken? Is it the secret blend of spices, the way it's marinated, or maybe something else entirely? Today we're going to reveal a recipe that's not just any fried chicken. It's a recipe with a twist that's been kept under wraps until now. But stick around, because I'm also sharing some surprising facts and a few health tips that might just change the way you think about this classic dish. Before we dive into the recipe, let me take you on a journey back in time. Fried chicken is more than just a meal. It's a culinary legend with a past as crispy as its skin. While most people think of the American South when they think of fried chicken, the true origins are a bit more complex. Imagine the Scottish settlers bringing their frying techniques to America, combined with the rich, bold flavors introduced by enslaved Africans. What they created wasn't just a dish, but a cultural phenomenon that has captivated taste buds for centuries. So why is this important? Because understanding the roots of this dish will make you appreciate every bite even more. And now I'm going to show you how to make your own legendary fried chicken that's worthy of this rich history. The secret to flavorful marinade. Let's unlock the first secret, the marinade. This is where the magic begins, where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. Grab your chicken and place it in a large mixing bowl, because what we're about to do next will set the stage for the perfect fried chicken. We start with ground pepper, but not just any pepper. The right amount adds a subtle heat that awakens the taste buds. Then in goes the garlic powder. Picture that aromatic flavor seeping into every crevice of the chicken. Now here's where things get interesting. A splash of fish sauce. Yes, fish sauce. It's the secret ingredient that adds a depth of flavor you won't find anywhere else. But we're not done. Fresh lemon juice. Not only does it brighten the flavor, but it also tenderizes the meat, making it melt in your mouth. Cornstarch, our next ingredient, ensures that when we fry this chicken, it's going to have that crave-worthy crunch. Crack in a couple of eggs to bind all these flavors together, and finally add the crispy fry mix. This is the game changer that will make your fried chicken unforgettable. Now here's the key. Mix everything together with your hands. Get in there. Make sure every piece of chicken is coated in this flavorful marinade. This is where the real transformation begins. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. You've done all the prep, but to unlock the full potential of this recipe, you need to let the chicken marinate. Cover the bowl and let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. But if you're patient enough to wait overnight, the rewards are even greater. Imagine the flavors deepening, intensifying, seeping into every fiber of the chicken. It's this patience that separates good fried chicken from unforgettable fried chicken. The wait is over. It's time to fry. But before we get to that sizzling oil, there's one more step that'll ensure your chicken is as crispy as it gets. Take your marinated chicken and dip it into the flour. This might seem simple, but it's a crucial step. This extra layer of flour will lock in all those juices and create that perfect golden brown crust. Each piece you coat is one step closer to the ultimate fried chicken. Now, heat up your oil in a large frying pan. And here's a tip. Patience is key. You want that oil just right, not too hot, not too cold. When it's ready, carefully place your chicken into the pan. Hear that sizzle? That's the sound of perfection in the making. Let it cook until the first side is golden brown and crispy, about 15 to 20 minutes. Then flip and repeat on the other side. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Carefully lift your perfectly fried chicken out of the oil and onto a plate lined with paper towels. This step is crucial. It keeps the chicken crispy and lets any excess oil drain away. What you have before you is the culmination of history, technique, and flavor. Fried chicken that's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and bursting with flavor in every bite. Serve it up with your favorite sides or just enjoy it on its own. Remember, always in moderation. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching Bisteg's TV, and please subscribe. Keep cooking, keep exploring, and keep enjoying every delicious bite. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.